Hi guys, this is Jessie Holton, your Stamping Up Demonstrator for Australia, jessieholton.com. I'm sharing with you today on how to link the Pinterest code into your Blogger HTML, and I hope that this makes sense. So I've got my Blogger post here ready to go, and I'm just going to click on HTML. And so basically, if you follow a bit of a pattern with your blog post, then it makes it really easy to find your pictures within, and especially if you name your pictures, then it makes it really easy to find them. So I know that I always have a couple of paragraphs of hello and welcome, and this is the products that I've used, and then I list my photos underneath. So this is the information that you're looking for here. Just whatever is inside these little quotation marks with the, and you can see that that is the name of my picture, Jessie Holton, Stamping Up, Butterfly Gala, January class, number 1. So it puts these little 2 B's in between all of the spaces, and it puts this gobbledygook up the top. I don't know what that means, but it's in there. And you want to copy everything that is in between the 2 quotation marks. So from HTTPS down to your .png, or perhaps your files are saved as JPEG, whatever they are. So I'm going to copy this. I've opened the Pinterest developer, which is developers.pinterest.com. We want to go to Tools, and this is your widget builder. So you want to drop down and go 1 image, and then in the URL, oh hang on, do we need to change anything? Let me double check. Nope, that's all good. So this information here is just in relation to the Pinterest image that will be on your photo on your blog. So it connects a little pin count, and you can click the button to save it to your Pinterest boards. So of course you want your customers and friends and stuff to be able to pin your photos to their boards. So you can choose here if you want it to show the pin count. So if you check not shown, then it'll just be the pin button without the counter above it. And you can have the counter above the button or beside the button. So we'll just go above the button. This URL is your permalink. Image, I'm going to paste there. That was what I copied from here. And then I'm going to go across, this is my permalink over here. You need to make sure that your title post and your schedule date are set and saved and final before you copy your permalink. If you change the title of your post or the date that it's scheduled on, it will change your permalink. So just ensure that you've got the title and the date set and saved before you copy your permalink over. Copy the whole permalink. I'll try and remember to use the buttons rather than the keyboard controls. Alright, so we want to paste that, sorry I hit the button, the keyboard again. Alright, so you want to do your permalink under URL, you want to do the image under image, and in description you can put, I usually just copy the name from the title post because it's got what I want in there. You can add extra information like Jessie Holton. Wait for it to catch up. Stamping Up, Australia. JessieHolton.com. If this is for a blog challenge or a blog hop, perhaps they've got a hashtag that they like to use. You could add that information in here. I'm not adding these cards to any of those, so I'm just going to leave it as that. Once you've got all of that, so you want to go through it again. You want the button type to be one image, and then pin count, the permalink, the image, and your description. Once you've got all of those done, then you just click on here. It automatically copies or selects the whole thing, so you don't need to double click it or anything like that. You just click it once and the whole thing will come up blue, and then you want to copy that and go back to your blogger. So this is where the picture was. You want to just come up to the line above. See, that's where the HTTP, that down to PNG, that's what I had selected. So you just want to come up to the line above it, hit enter. My computer's going really slowly. Okay. And then, oops, sorry, I hit the keyboard controls again. Sorry, guys. Anyway, so all of that information there is the Pinterest code. So that is now in right above your picture. So then we go down to the next picture, which is here, and it does get, the first one is a little bit harder because you've got to put that all that extra information in the first time. So once you have that all set up, then you can just copy and paste the following pictures, and it becomes quite a simple thing to do. So we'll do copy that, go to Pinterest, go to the image, paste, copy, keep going to my email for some reason, enter, paste. Alright, and then we're going down to the next picture. We want that G on the end. Okay, copy, paste, copy, paste, go down to the next picture, and that is it. I know there's only 4 pictures in this post. Paste, copy, enter, paste. Alright, so once we've done those 4 pictures, now this part is very important. Go all the way to the bottom of your blog, hit enter, so you're right on the very last line, and then copy this little line, and this is the end of the script. So if you don't put this in, then the whole Pinterest thing won't work properly, the link to these photos and the counter, and yeah, so you just need to put this last line in to make it work. Okay, so once you've got that, then you can go back to compose, And you can't see anything different here. The buttons don't show in this one. But if you go preview, there we go. And you can see the little Pinterest buttons are now showing here next to your photos. Alright, so that is how you add the little pin and the little counter. So that's that. It's all very easy. So that address again for here is developers.pinterest.com. Developers.pinterest.com. You go to Tools, and then it will automatically bring you to the Widget Builder page. Select one image above the button, or whatever your choice. Add your permalink under URL. Add your image under image, and add your description. You can change the description for each individual photo as well if you like. And you can keep this page open if you're doing multiple posts. If you're scheduling multiple posts in advance, then you just need to change the URL for each new post, and then you can continue to keep this page open. You don't need to close it in between each post or anything like that. Anywho, that is it. If you have any questions, please let me know. And you can contact me at jessie@jessieholton.com. And I hope that you have enjoyed my video. Thanks. Bye.